One of the things that I've always found challenging when it comes to driving Uber, especially at night, is getting people to notice my car. And with a lot of people driving Priuses, and maybe you drive a Tesla or some other common car that a lot of people drive, it can be pretty hard for people to spot your vehicle. Riders tend to not use the tools in the app, the little I'm holding up my phone and it's pink or whatever. They tend to not use that. And so it kind of falls on us as drivers to get them to see us. Now, one of the things that I did previously was I added these blue marker lights to my Prius, and that helps a little bit, but sometimes people don't notice that. So I was looking for another solution. The solution that I came up with is these dual color LED headlight bulbs. And what's neat about these is they shine in both a 4K white light and a yellow light, which is also good for driving in the fog or rain or snow. You can actually get these and have them installed in your fog lights, but if you don't have fog lights, you can use these instead in your low beam and just switch to the yellow beam when it's foggy or raining. And so now basically what I'm able to do is switch them to yellow and tell someone, look for the car with the yellow headlights, because there probably aren't going to be a lot of Priuses out there with yellow headlights. Installation was really simple. It's just like changing the bulb in your headlight. And then to activate them, you just switch your lights on. And after your lights are on, you just flip them off and back on again, and it changes the color. And to revert back, you just do the same thing. And you can switch back and forth between the colors. This was something that I kind of thought would be cool. It would help with nighttime driving in the rain and in the fog. In the winter, we've got snow, we've got rain, and we do have fog as well here in upstate New York that I have to deal with. And so I'm hoping that this will improve my night visibility and also help improve my visibility to riders. So what about you? What are some things that you do to help riders identify your vehicle when you're pulling up at some place that's busy and congested, and they're looking for a car that probably looks like yours and there's 3 or 4 of them there? What are you doing to help identify them? And what other kind of, upgrades, could you say, have you made to your vehicle to make it safer and also to make it stand out from the rest of the vehicles? My name's John. This is Ride Upstate. Thanks for watching.